Hey everyone, it's Peter from Property Planners. Are you trying to figure out how to upload a list of events from a Google Sheets spreadsheet into Google Calendar? How do you arrange and format the data? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I have a Google Sheets spreadsheet with a list of rental property maintenance tasks. I've already arranged the table into the columns that Google Calendar expects. The columns are subject, start date, end date, start time, end time, all day event, description, and location. There are two mandatory columns that must have entries, and those are subject and start date. In this example, since I have a list of rental property maintenance tasks, I've also filled in the location. By filling in the location, you can click on it in your Google Calendar and the app will open up the address in Google Maps. There are two things I want to mention before I show you how to import into Google Calendar. The dates have to be day, month, year format, otherwise you'll end up with the wrong dates when you import it into Google Calendar. Second, the all-day event can be true, false, or blank. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this ready for importing into Google Calendar. First, select File, Download, then comma-separated value. Save the file to your computer. After you save the file, go to your Google Calendar. What I like to do is create a new calendar so that I have the option to turn it on, off, or just delete it if I want to. That way, the events are separated from my main calendar. To create a new calendar, click on Settings, add a new calendar, then Create New Calendar. I'll go ahead and give it a name. As you can see, I now have a new calendar called Maintenance in my calendar list. Now, I'm going to import the list of maintenance tasks into my new calendar. Click on Import and Export. Now, select the comma-separated file you saved to your computer. Click the drop-down, Add to Calendar, and select the new calendar you created. Now, click on the Import button. Now, you can see the tasks are in my calendar. If I click on the following months, you can also see that they are there. And that's it, everyone. I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. It will help me make more Google Sheets related content. Till next time.